Hello everyone. Today we are going to know about CS card seller vacations. Let us start with the description part of this add-on. By using this add-on, a seller product will be visible to the buyers along with the seller message, and by which the buyer will know that the seller is on vacation and will not be available for a certain period of time. To inform about the vacation, a seller required to set the start and the end date of the vacation. And here a seller can also provide a message in multi-language that will be displayed on the product page and the seller profile page. Also, this add-on helps marketplace seller to disable the add to cart button for the product if in case the seller is not available to fulfill the orders for a certain time period. So, for the documentation regarding this add-on, you can go to the Webcool store and click on this user guide button. And for the demonstration regarding this add-on, you can click on the live demo button. So let us start with the installation part of this add-on. This is my backend panel, and here you need to go to the manage add-on. Here click on this plus icon and click on this local. And here you need to choose the required zip file and click on upload and install. And here the add-on is installed successfully. Now let us proceed towards the configuration of this add-on. So after installation of this add-on, let us proceed towards the configuration part. So let us start with the configuration part. This is the add-on, and click on this settings, and here you need to configure these settings of the add-on. First one is the general setting. So in the general setting, first option is the seller vacations, and here an admin can check this box if he want to apply he want to allow a seller for to apply for vacations, and if an admin uncheck this box, then the seller will not be able to apply for the vacation. So we check this box to allow the seller for the vacations. Next is the auto approve. If an admin want to auto approve the seller vacation request, he can click on this box. Otherwise, if an admin want to manually approve the seller request, then he can uncheck this box. Next is the days before seller apply for vacation. So here an admin need to enter the number of days that he want to apply a seller before for vacation. Suppose if an admin has left this field as empty, then the seller can apply for the same day for the vacation. So here if an admin has put 2 days, then the seller will need to apply 2 days prior to the vacation. So here I have left this field as empty. Next is the email address. Here an admin need to enter the email address on which he want to receive the request of the vacations from the seller side. Next is the reminder mail setting. Here first is the allow sender to send reminder mail. If an admin want to send if an admin want to allow seller to send reminder, then he can check this box. Otherwise, if a seller if an admin doesn't want to allow the seller to send a reminder, then he can uncheck this box. This is the number of the reminders. This is the number of the days or number of the times that a seller can send reminder to an admin. And next one is the days gap between request. Here this is the days gap between the request that the seller sent to an admin for the vacation. Next, coming to the second tab, this is the theme settings. Here an admin can customize the color option of the vacation box. First one is the text color of the vacation box. From here an admin can set any color for the text of the vacation box. Second is the background color of the vacation box. From here an admin can set the background color of the vacation box, and this is the border color of the vacation box. So here an admin can set these settings, and once he done all these settings, he can click on this save button. So here the setting of this add-on has been saved successfully. Now let us show you how a seller can request for the vacation to an admin. So for that purpose, a seller need to go to his backend panel. So this is the backend panel of the seller, and from here in the vendor tab, go to the seller vacations, and from here a seller can request for the vacation. Here the seller doesn't apply for any vacation, so this is left, this is empty here. So click on this plus button, and from here a seller can request for a new vacation. This is the start and the end date of the vacation. From here a seller can select the vacation date, and from here he can use the end date of the vacation. Next is the allow add to cart, and if this if a seller has ticked this box, and then if a seller want to allow a buyer to add his product which he want to purchase to cart when the seller is on vacation, then he can check this box. Otherwise he can uncheck this box. If he don't want to allow any product to the cart when the seller is on vacation, he can uncheck this box. Next is the display return date. If a seller want to display the return date to the message that is displayed on the store, he can check this box, and this is the message for the store. And from here a seller can write the message which he want to be visible on the store. Suppose this is the message the seller want to be displayed on the store. Next, in this section a seller need to specify a message which for the vacation which you want to send to the admin. And this is the reason that is visible only by the admin, and this is the message that will be displayed on the store. And this is when the seller has done this all these complete all these request settings, then he can click on this create button, and here the vacation has been created. Now this mail has been triggered to the admin email ID. So now move to the admin panel. So this is the admin panel, and here in the seller vacation section, an admin can able to view the list of the seller vacations. Like here this is the complete list of the vacations that various sellers has applied, and this is the vacation request that the seller has applied right now. And here this is at not approved state, and if an admin has not approved the seller request, then the seller can also able to send the reminder. So let us show you how a seller can send reminder to an admin. So for that purpose a seller need to go to his backend panel, and in the vendor seller vacations section, here this seller has viewed this the state request of the vacation has not approved by the admin. So from here a seller can click on the remind admin, and from here a seller can able to send a reminder to the admin which the mail has been triggered to the admin email ID. And here once our admin has requested the reminder from the seller side, he can approve the seller request by clicking here, and here the status has been changed to approve. So in this way an admin can approve the seller vacation request. So let us show you the email templates. So here in the email template section, here you can view these are the email templates, and an admin can also able to customize these email template. This is the email template for the vacation creation that has been sent to the seller. This is for the reminder, and this is for the vacation approved by an admin. Okay, now let us proceed towards the front end panel. Here this is the storefront, and here in the seller profile page, here you can view this message. This seller is only from this to this date, and let's click on this product. Here you can view the same message. The seller is only on the product detail page.